Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to pay GCash Loan using the other cash account. So here are the three ways to do it. You can pay via GLoan dashboard. So first you have to pay now on the GLoan you wish to pay, and then on your GLoan management page you can view the breakdown of your dues. Input the amount you want to repay and pay next, and review the amount to pay paid. Select pay. And that is how the confirmation will be successful on your loan repayment. You can pay via bills, and you prepare your loan account ID number, open your GCash app and tap the bills use fascinating ink. Enter your loan account ID and select your loan and specify the amount you want to repay. Tap next and then review the payment amount and tap confirm. And then to pay the loan used through our partners, and then use financing as the biller and enter the corresponding account number below. Payments made through offline partners will be posted within 1 business day. As you can see here, the payment partner, Bank Philippine Island, Metro Bank, and account number, loan account ID, Welcome Your Loan, and Banco de Oro and Pay Center, GCash register or mobile number. So that's the way to do it, guys. This is how you can pay a loan using other GCash account. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.